Think about just waking up in the morning and you can look up to your phone and see some email notifications that you've earned hundreds and hundreds of dollars, and it was deposited into your bank account. And later on the day, you will receive another notification that hundreds of dollars have been deposited in your bank account. Again, how amazing is that this has become a very unique occurrence to me, as well as many other folks who know the secret and receive similar notifications on a daily basis, occasionally even hourly. You may be one of us today. This video will revolutionize the way you think about making money online, like you've never seen before. I'm going to go through different free apps that will pay you virtually instantly with almost no effort on your part. These apps are all completely free. No credit card or investment is needed, and they are accessible to anyone in the world. Make sure to remain focused and watch till the very end of this video to master all of these apps. Because the more apps you utilize, the more money you'll make. But before we start, welcome to Digiconcept, where we teach you how to make money online, the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. The first step I'll show you today is InstaGC, which allows you to earn a lot of money by just downloading it for free on your phone. You may visit instagc.com, which is compatible with both Android and iOS smartphones. When you visit InstaGC's Facebook page, you'll notice that this is the name and that this is the logo. They are going to show you all of the payment evidence on their Facebook page. They're actually quite open about it. Here are the many payment proofs that they've submitted. As you can see, people earn money in many ways and get funds directly into their bank accounts or PayPal accounts. If you don't have a PayPal or a bank account, you can still use this service. You can also redeem your money in free Amazon gift cards. You can check it out yourself, right there on their Facebook page. You may earn points for activities you already do online. As you can see here, let's say you can get compensated for completing some easy surveys by simply clicking a few buttons. Why not? And if you have a good couple of minutes a day, you can just surf the web, browse other websites, or do a few Google searches and you will get compensated for every minute you spend doing so. More significantly, I find that viewing movies is a way that I prefer. This is one of my favorites. Since you can just press the play button and the video will play in background, you can even open several tabs to view various movies at the same time. On top of that, when you're watching the videos, you can go on to do some surveys or search the web. That's how you can build multiple streams of income from just one single app. If you want to download and install this app, you can join InstaGC using Facebook, Twitter, or Google, or otherwise you can just simply put in a username, your password and your email address and click on this button to sign up, and you can instantly get 10 points for free as well. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Moving on to the second app. The name of the app is App Karma. It says here that you can earn rewards by playing with apps. And this is 100% free. You don't need to invest any money. And the best thing about this is that they're working on both iOS and Android devices. Once you are in the points on this app, you can literally redeem them on PayPal or different top brand gift cards. All you have to do is click on this button to download App Karma right on your phone. And once you've installed the app, you can instantly get 300 points for free. Every 100 points is actually equal to $1, which means they're going to give you $3 for free without doing anything. Now, for those of you guys who want to simply multiply your earnings and make more money on App Karma, you can also refer other people to this app. You can see here that you can simply share your invite link or your referral code, and you can earn 30% of what your referrals earn. Last, but not the least, the reason why this app is so powerful and that you can just install them for free and earn passive income without doing anything is because you can simply log in. And you can see here that you can earn daily rewards by simply logging into this app. Make sure to check in every single day. And once you log in, they are going to give you extra bonuses for just checking in. This is absolutely crazy. You guys, if you want passive income without doing anything, and on top of that, every single time that you complete some achievement, or once you finish certain tasks, they are going to give you different badges, and all these badges will help you level up. As you can see here, you can increase your reward level every single time you earn all of these badges. And that's going to give you an extra 12.5% of the bonus, and you can literally multiply your earnings. So make sure you check out all of the achievement badges and get as much as possible to increase your earnings. Moving on to the third app I'll show you today. This app's name is Cashcake with a K. You can go to cashcake.com and you can see that they'll be paying you cold, hard cash. So basically cash is their greatest reward. They'll basically deposit all the cash into your account. They can do transfers and they can do PayPal money as well. You can see here that it says, get started right now and get paid directly into your PayPal account. On this website, you can answer different surveys. You can find different, great deals, and you can watch videos. You can surf the web, and this is basically very similar to Instagram GC, but they're going to pay you even more money compared to Instagram GC. Once again, I want you to focus on watching videos because that's going to pay you the most amount of money. If you want to sign up for a free account, all you gotta do is put in your email address and your password. Then click on this button to get started. Now moving on to app number 4. The name of this app is actually SuperPay. Now you can go on to superpay.me, and basically you can make money online with free paid surveys. Today, they have a really fast payment within 24 hours. You can receive your money and they have a really low cash out threshold. You can work from home and you can do as much or as little as you want. And once you join today, you can instantly get 20 cents as a sign-up bonus. At the time of recording this video, they have already paid out to millions of members worldwide. The concept here is really simple. You can join today for free and instantly receive a 20 cents bonus. And when you join, you can take part in different surveys and complete different offers, and then you can get paid and cash out your earnings in many different payment options. All you've got to do is just click on this button that says, Join Free Today. That's going to bring you to this page where you can register for free. Just fill out your personal details right here and your mailing address right here. You can just enter your payment details so you can get paid once you complete all of the tasks. And then you can just read on to the terms and conditions and agree to that. Click on this. I'm not a robot and create your free account. These apps are very transparent about the payments that they transact to the users. You can see here, different proof of payments made by different people all over the world. You can see the name of the user, the date, the payment option that they used and the amount that they withdrew. That is very transparent. I recommend using all of these apps that I just showed you today in order for you to maximize your earnings and earn a lot of money. That's how you can earn hundreds of dollars every single day with the method that I just showed you. And that's it. This has been Digiconcept. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.